What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic James Taylor, Fire and Rain. Cool. Let's go. Standard tuning, Cape 3, please. And I'm doing all the chords he's doing, but I'm doing a simplified version with the pick. I'm not doing all the picking. So this is more for towards strummers. Okay, cool. Let's go with the chords for the verse, chorus, and then we can do the intro at the end. Alright, so song is an A shape, since we got the capo, but we want to play it up here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on the D string, 6 on the G, 5 on the B with A in the bass. So this is the verse. And then we want to slide this down a whole step. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, 4, 3. And then play E in the bass. So that's like a G with E in the bass. So hit the A and play the chord, and then play the E and hit the chord. There's the sound. And the D major. 1, 2, 3. To A major. And here we want to do a little thing here with your pinky on the B string. Lift it up 2 times. It's kind of hard. It's for more advanced players. So E to A. It's hard to see. So while you're holding the D and G, you basically want. If you can't do that, just play an A major. And then from A, keep going to E major. Tuning. E major to G major. Let's play that like this with third finger on E and pinky on high E. Because we want to grab a G major 7 after that, and you want to grab that with your first finger. G major, and then second fret on the E string. Strumming is simple. Da, 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 da. A lot of down strokes. Da, 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 da. And that's going to take us to the chorus. It's a D major, but we're not going to play the full D major. We're going to play G string and B string. First finger, second finger. We need the third finger to grab 4A over these guys. So. And here's a cool chord, bar, second fret, and keep your second finger where it is. And then E in the bass. To A major. with G major, same as before, and then move the bass down half a step. Mute the A string. So that's F sharp over G, and then E minor, and this cool chord. It's so simple. It's just one finger, second fret on the D, played from the A string. Some kind of sus flat 7. Okay, back to verse 3, 4. A major, G with E on the bass. E to A. A major, E major to G. G major 2. That A chord. That's how the song ends. Alright, so that's the main parts. Let's go over the intro for you guys that are a little more advanced. Oh my god. We want to slide from 4G to 6G. And while you do that, grab the A string. And then pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick 5 on E and B string to 6G. You want to slide that away, so while you grab the low E, so same shape, just move it down a whole step. And then it's a D, but we want to play it like this. Lift up your second finger. So that's open E back to F sharp. To A. And then the rest is the same. A, E major. Hard stuff, pretty hard stuff. So, and this is simplified, way simplified compared to the original, but at least we learned the chords and the basic of the song, right? Okay, so before we end the lesson, let's just review. A major verse, G with A, E in the bass, D to A. And then chorus. D, this D, third finger on the 4A, and then bar 2A, and then E in the bass. I see fire and rain, A major. to this cool A chord. Alright guys, cool, long lesson. Awesome song. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay cool and be safe. Thank you.